Okay, thought I would do an update on my pigeon coop because I just realized I still had the old video up, starting with the outside. I definitely needed a way to keep the doors open when I was going to be in there or working on it or during the day. So I fitted these magnets and metal plates to the outsides. That way, when I open the door, it could just stay shut, hold up to the wind. I got the birds locked in right now. I'm doing this off of my phone, so sorry for quality and stuff. That's what it looks like with it all open, which is how it is most of the time. We live here in California, so all the time it's closed really is when it's raining. So it was the shed. Converted it over to the coop. It was about $600 for the shed. However much for, I don't remember how much it was for like 2x4s and everything else to put in, but there's my little breeder section here. It's probably gonna break this down into 3 sections. Now each pair gets their little deal there. Put in a couple boxes over here. I'm like really low on the amount of birds I have right now. The dog is going crazy. Water's in there. Use some cedar wood chips for the floor. Landing board and trap. These are really just closed hangers that are bent into shape. Wooden dowel rod, some metal sleeves so a dowel rod can pass through. I made this little guy here so that way the birds can't split the bars apart to get out. You can see they try sometimes, they bend the bars. And just wire held down with screws. Chicken side. Hens. Sitting on some eggs right now. Small door I put in at the bottom with a latch. This closes to go. We got another magnet on this side. This gets held closed with the latch back here. There's another latch at the bottom. I hardly ever use it. Just keep some stuff to store in there. Rooster. And the door from the other side. I have another box here. And you can access this box from the outside here. I do have a little deal to prop this up right here too. That way, when I need to clean in there, it's a little bit easier. That's pretty much it though.